Peace to the gods and earths, to all the kings and queens, to the lost found. We're here in the wilderness of North America. And today we're going to unlearn and then learn. We're going to unlearn the European understanding of making love. And we're going to learn about making love like an African. Making African love. That's what we're going to be doing. So let's unlearn European love. It is taught by Europeans that making love is having sex. I'm telling you, having sex most definitely isn't making love. Now, those who love each other most definitely should be having sex for the reasons and purposes that the universe gives, all right? But making love, what making love is when you consciously see God in self, when you see the divine essence, those powers and attributes, the expression of God in you, and you are conscious of that. And then another person, you see them living, working, and within them that divine essence of God radiating out. That Christ consciousness in them and the Christ consciousness in you. And then you seek to make a bond with that. That is making love. Seeking to make that bond with the God in you, in the God in that which you see or the self-reflected, and working on bringing that unity together. Making that unity harmonious with Sirius. Making that unity harmonious so you can pass it on to the generations who come after you is making love. Building your God body. Building your God body in your partner. Both of you, or the one, which is the both of you, elevating those attributes so that you can harmoniously pass those on to your number 3, your understanding, your offspring, is making love. This is Babalu Anu Shabazz Allah, Dr. Carbon, the medicine man, out here in the wilderness of North America, breaking down making love. So everybody out there, make more love. And when you find that love and you're making that love, have sex. I mean, yo, build strong families. I love mine. Stand on your ones and twos, and you'll have understanding.